Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe at home. Today's subject is EVS Bones and Muscles Part 3. In Part 1 and 2 videos, we have learnt about bones and muscles, isn't it? In this video, we are going to read that lesson, see some amazing facts, and I am going to conduct test. Let us see how many are going to get 10 out of 10. Let us start with amazing facts about bones and muscles. You have learnt about bones, isn't it? Do you know which is the longest and strongest bone in the human body? Let me say, it is thigh bone. See this thigh bone? It is the longest and strongest bone. While we are standing, walking, this thigh bone holds the weight of entire body, isn't it? So, it is the longest and strongest bone in our body. You know the longest bone. Do you know the smallest bone in our body? The smallest bone is our ear bones. How many bones do we have? 206. Correct. Do you know how many bones do babies have? Babies have 300 bones. We have only 206 bones, isn't it? Then how babies have 300 bones? Do you think some bones disappear while the baby grows? குழந்தை வளர வளர கொஞ்சம் bones காணாம போயிரும்னு நினைக்கிறியா? No. Some tiny bones fuse together to form a largest bone. That is, சில குட்டி குட்டி போன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒரே போனாக சேர்ந்து பெரிய போன் ஆயிரும். அதனால தான் பேபிஸ்க்கு 300 போன்ஸ், பெரியவங்களுக்கு 206 போன்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? Shall we see next amazing facts? While playing, if anybody fall down and his bones break, what will he do? He will go to the doctor, isn't it? Do you know what is the bone doctor called? The bone doctor is called an orthopedist. In short, we will call them ortho doctor. Okay? Bones are natural healers. When you fracture a bone, your body will produce new cells and helps to heal the break. புரியலையா? மேம் தமிழில் சொல்லட்டுமா? அதாவது யாராவது கீழே விழுந்து போன் உடஞ்சி ஃப்ராக்சர் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த போன் அதுவாகவே அதை சரிப்படுத்திக்குமா. புது செல்ஸை உருவாக்கி உடஞ்ச போன்ஸை அதுவாகவே சரி பண்ணி கொஞ்ச நாளில் அந்த போன்ஸ் வளர்ந்துருமா. ஓகே. A cast or brace just ensures the bone heals straight. If we blink our eyes, we move 200 muscles. The biggest joint in our body is knee joint. Now I am going to say the important points which we have studied in this lesson, bones and muscles. After this I am going to ask you 10 questions. You have to answer this question correctly. So listen very carefully. Are you all ready? First let us see about bones. Bones are hard parts of our body. All the bones are joined to each other. This is called skeleton. There are 206 bones in our body. Next, let us see about muscles. Muscles are soft parts of our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles? 600 muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. Bones are covered with muscles. Muscles are covered by skin. Okay, so bones and muscles are covered by skin. Next, let us see about joints. The place where two bones meet is called joint. That is, the place where you can bend your bones are called joints. Next, let us see about exercise. Exercises like walking, jogging, playing and playing outdoor games make your muscles strong. So do exercise regularly. Next, posture. Posture is the way how we keep our body while sitting, standing, moving. Good posture gives good shape to the body. Did you all listen carefully? Shall I ask questions now? Now I'll ask 10 questions. You have to answer it and at last you can give marks to your answers. Okay. First question is, the soft part of our body is called dash. I repeat, the soft part of our body is called dash. Did you find the answer? The answer is muscles. If you have told the correct answer, give 1 mark. For correct answer, you can give 1 mark. Okay. Let us go to the next question. How many bones do humans have? How many bones do humans have? Did you find out the answer? The correct answer is 206. If you told the correct answer, give 1 more mark. So for each question you have to give mark like this. Okay. ஒரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மார்க். நீ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் சொன்னீன்னா ஒரு மார்க் நீயா கொடுத்துக்கோ. லாஸ்ட்டில் எத்தனை மார்க் 10க்கு எத்தனை மார்க் வாங்கியிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லி பார்ப்போம். ஓகேவா? Now let us go to the next question. Dash is the way we sit, stand or walk. Dash is the way we sit, stand or walk. Find out the answer. The correct answer is posture. Fourth question is, the place where 2 or more bones meet is called a dash. The place where 2 or more bones meet is called a dash. Very easy question. The answer is joint. If you told the correct answer, give 1 mark. Then fifth question, dash makes our muscles strong. Dash makes our muscles strong. What we have to do to make our muscles strong? Think and answer. Yes, the correct answer is exercise. If you are correct, give 1 mark. Sixth question is, there are more than dash muscles in our body. There are more than dash muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in our body? The correct answer is 600 muscles. If you are correct, give 1 mark. Seventh question, the hard part of our body is called dash. The hard parts of our body are called dash. What is the answer? Very easy, isn't it? The hard parts are called bones. If you are correct, as usual, give 1 mark. Eighth question is, bones and muscles are covered by dash. Bones and muscles are covered by dash. The correct answer is skin. If you are correct, give 1 mark. Ninth question is, how many bones do babies have? How many bones do babies have? Small babies have how many bones? Yes, the correct answer is 300 bones. question is, the bone doctor is called dash. The bone doctor is called dash. What is the name of the bone doctor? Already I told, isn't it? The correct answer is orthopedist. We will call him ortho doctor, isn't it? Now we have completed 10 questions. How many of you got 10 out of 10? Those who got 10 out of 10, excellent, very good children. Those who got 10 out of 10, really outstanding performance. You understood the lesson well. Claps for you. How many of you got 9 marks? You also did a great job. Very good. Excellent. Claps for you. Those who got 8 and 7 marks, good. You also did a good job. You can also get full mark if you try. Claps for you. Those who got below 7, see the video carefully again and try these questions again. You can also get full mark. Okay, children? Now we are going to read the lesson Bones and Muscles. Take your EVS book, children. Have you all taken? Okay, now take page number 40 in your EVS book. Shall we start reading? Now see the title, Bones and Muscles. Tell me again, Bones and Muscles. Next, see this take-off exercise. Look at the picture of a girl dancing. Name the body parts she is using. Now see, this girl is dancing, right? Which body parts she is using for dancing? Correct. She is using her hands and legs, isn't it? So you can write hands and legs in this blank, okay? But you can write this afterwards. Now let us read the lesson. See the next line. How do you think we are able to run and play? It is because of the bones and muscles inside our bodies. The hard parts inside our bodies are called bones and the soft parts are the muscles. Bones and muscles are covered with the skin and give shape and form to our bodies. There are 206 bones in the human body and more than 600 muscles. Now take page number 41. Bones and muscles move together. All the bones in our bodies are joined together. Muscles are attached to the bones. Bones and muscles work together and help us move. They help a cricketer bowl or bat, weightlifter to lift weights, footballer to kick the ball, swimmer to swim, cyclist to cycle. Strong bones and muscles help us do all things easily. Now take next page, page number 42. See this green color box? It's interesting. Already you know this fact. The smallest bones of the human body are in the ears. Already you know this, right? Next, exercise. We must exercise regularly along with eating healthy food and getting good rest. Exercise makes the muscles strong. Walking, jogging, playing outdoor games and doing yoga help to keep muscles fit. They help us to stay healthy. Next, posture. Posture is the way we sit, stand or move. We must sit and stand straight. We should also hold our bodies upright when we walk. Good posture gives proper shape to our bodies. All the parts of our bodies work properly when our posture is correct. Okay children, now we have completed reading the whole lesson. When you are free, you have to take your EVS book and you have to read it. Okay, and this book exercise we can do in the next class. In the next video, we are going to write book exercise as well as class work. So, in the next video, we are going to write class work. Don't miss that children. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.